You're welcome back to this channel. So in today's class, we want to study arithmetic mean. If you are given 3 consecutive terms, the middle one is called the arithmetic mean. How do we get that? So let's do it. You know, I said that we have T1, that is the first term, comma T2, second term, comma T3, third term. And the first term is usually called A. So the T2 is equal to A plus D, that is the first term plus common difference. And T3 is equal to A plus 2D. That is not what we need here. What we need here is A, B, C. And I told you earlier that common difference is equal to the second term minus first term. Common difference is still third term minus second term. So here, the common difference from this sequence will now be equal to B minus A, and also the common difference will be C minus B. So since B is equal to B minus A and D is also equal to C minus B, we can equate the two equations together. So B minus A is equal to C minus B. So from here, let's collect like terms. So this negative B, if it comes in, so it's changed to positive, is equal to C. Negative A, if it comes out, it becomes positive. So we have 2B is equal to C plus A. So divide both sides by 2 because we want to make B the subject of the formula. So B is now equal to C plus A divided by 2. So that's why we said that if we have 3 consecutive terms, the middle one will be the arithmetic mean. So B is what? Is the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. So can be shortened to be AM. But this sequence must be AP, must be arithmetic progression. So for example, if they give you 20 and 26, and they now ask you to find the arithmetic mean. So you just know that the AM of 20 and 26 will just be 1 over 2 into bracket 20 plus 26. So AM is equal to, what is 20 plus 26? That is 46 divided by 2. And AM is equal to 23. So that is how to find the arithmetic mean. Example 2. If 3 consecutive terms of an AP are x plus 4, comma 2x plus 8 and 12, find the value of x. So here we can see that we can use the formula for arithmetic mean to find the value of x. So, and I told you that if we have 3 consecutive terms, the middle one will be the arithmetic mean. So 2x plus 8 is the middle term. So is equal to 1 over 2 into bracket x plus 4 plus 12. So 2x plus 8 is equal to x, 4 plus 12, 16, plus 16, everything over 2. So can be in fraction now. So let's cross multiply. So use 2 to multiply everything. 2x plus 8 is equal to x plus 16. So let's expand the bracket. 2 times 2x, 4x, plus 2 times 8, 16, is equal to x plus 16. So let's collect like terms. 4x, so this x, let it come here, so it becomes minus x is equal to 16. Then the plus 16, if it goes out, it becomes negative. So we have 3x is equal to 0. So divide both sides by 0. So x is equal to 0. So, and that is the answer. So the value of x is equal to 0. Here is another example. So x plus 2, comma, x plus 3, and 2x squared plus 1 are 3 consecutive terms of an AP. Find the possible values of x. So here, the sequence x plus 2, comma, x plus 3, comma, 2x squared plus 1. So here the arithmetic mean will be x plus 3, that is the middle term, is equal to x plus 2 plus 2x squared plus 1, everything over 2. So x plus 3 is equal to 2x squared, we want to rearrange it, plus x plus 3, everything over 2. So cross multiplication, these two, use it to multiply x plus 3. So 2 into bracket x plus 3 is equal to 2x squared plus x plus 3. So we have 2x plus 6 is equal to 2x squared plus x plus 3. So let's collect like terms. So 2x squared plus x plus 3 minus everything on the left hand side, 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Everything is equal to 0. So we have 2x squared plus x plus 3 minus multiply by 2x, that is plus 2x. So it's equal to minus 2x minus multiply by plus 6 minus 6. Everything is equal to 0. So from here we have 2x squared plus x minus 2x plus 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x squared plus x minus 2x is equal to minus x. Plus 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3 is equal to 0. So it has led us to quadratic equation. And how do we solve this quadratic equation? If you take the coefficient of x squared, or you take everything, that is, take 2x squared, then multiply it by the constant. Now our constant here is minus 3. So use it to multiply that one. So we have minus 6x squared. Now you think of two factors of negative 6x squared, that if you add or subtract, you must get minus x. So let's think of factors of 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now, we need two factors of 6 that if you multiply it together, it must give us minus 6. And if we add or subtract, we must get minus 1. That is the middle one here. The coefficient of x here is minus 1. So the coefficient of x, we must get it if you add or subtract. Then the multiplication of coefficient of x squared and constants, if you multiply it, we must get it. So factors of 6. So if we have 1 and 6, if we take 1 and 6, if you multiply 1 and 6, if you have minus 1 multiplied by 6, it gives minus 6. What if we subtract or add? So minus 1 plus 6, it doesn't give us minus 1. So minus 1 and 6 are not what we want. So let's take 2 and 3. We want to get minus 6. If we want to get minus 6, let's say we have minus 2 multiplied by 3. It gives minus 6. Minus 2 multiplied by 3 gives minus 6. If you add or subtract, what will it give us? Plus 3 is equal to Minus 2 plus 3 gives 1. Minus 2 plus 3 is not equal to minus 1. So what I will take positive 2, then multiply by negative 3. It gives negative 6. If you add or subtract, plus 2 minus 3 gives minus 1. So that means the factors that we need will be 2 and minus 3. So let's write 2x squared plus 2 minus plus 2x minus 3x, then minus 3 is equal to 0. Now 2 is common to both, so let's factorize 2 out. X is also common, factorize it out. So this one remains x plus 1. Then 3 minus 3 is common, minus 3. So we have x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here must be the same thing. If you do not get the same thing, that means you are wrong. So 2x minus 3, close bracket, then x, pick 1 out of x plus 1, the 2x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So now we can now see that 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So let's take 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have 2x. So if minus 3, if it goes out, it becomes positive. So divide both sides by 2. So the 2 cancel 2. X is equal to 3 over 2. Or if you take x plus 1 is equal to 0, that means x will now be equal to minus 1. So we have to answer x is equal to 3 over 2, or x is equal to minus 1. So that's the value of x. Example 4. Insert the 4 arithmetic means between 7 and minus 13. So solution is that let the 4 arithmetic mean means be, let's take x, y, z, and p. So we have to insert them inside between 7 and minus 13. So we have x, comma 7, comma x, comma y, comma z, comma p, then minus 13. So here is a sequence. So from here, our first term is equal to 7, and the last term is equal to minus 13. So you want to find the value of x, y, z, and p. So from here, we can easily find so x is equal to a plus d, and y is equal to a plus 2d, z is equal to a plus 3d, and p is equal to a plus 4d, and l, which is minus 13, that is the last term, is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. And here, the number of terms here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 6. So having known that, we can now substitute the value of n inside the last term. So a plus, and a was given to be 7. 7 plus, open brackets, 6 minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to minus 13. So from here we have 7 plus 6 minus 1, 5, multiplied by d, 5d is equal to minus 13. So 5d is equal to minus 13 minus 7, that is, we we take this one out. So 5d is equal to minus 20. So divide both sides by 5. So 5 cancel 5, d is equal to minus 4. So now, since we have known the value of d now, we can easily know the value of x. So x is equal to a plus d. If you like, you can label it. Make this one equation 1, make this one equation 2, make this one equation 3, and this one equation 4. So from equation 1, x is equal to a plus d, equation 1. So x, now let's substitute the value of a and d. A is equal to 7 and d is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to 7 minus 4. X is equal to 3. So we have known the value of x. Now from equation 2, y is equal to a plus 2d. So substitute the value of a. A is equal to 7 plus 2. Then d is equal to minus 4. So here is equation 2. So y is equal to 7 minus 8. 2 plus 2 multiplied by minus 4 gives minus 8. So y is equal to minus 1. So from equation 3, z is equal to a plus 3d. Equation 3. From equation 3, z is equal to a plus 3d. Now, z is equal to a is equal to 7 plus 3 multiplied by minus 4. That is value of d. So z is equal to 7 plus 3 multiplied by minus 4, minus 12. So z is equal to minus 5. So we have known the value of z also. So p is equal to a plus 4d. Equation 4. So p is equal to 7 plus 4 multiplied by minus 4. So p is equal to 7 minus 16. P is equal to minus 9. So therefore the value of x, y, z, p equal to x. For x, we got the value of x to be equal to 3, comma y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to minus 5, and p is equal to minus 9. So those are the values of x, y, z. That is the 4 arithmetic mean between 7 and minus 13. So the AP will now be equal to 7, 3, minus 1, minus 5, minus 9, minus 13. So if you look at it now, you can see that their common difference is minus 4. If you add minus 4 to this one, it gives 3. 3 minus 4 gives minus 1. Minus 1 minus 4 gives minus 5. Minus 5 minus 4 gives minus 9. Minus 9 minus 4 gives minus 13. So that is how to find the kind of question. If you say that if you insert any number of arithmetic mean they said you should add, so just insert it inside. Then the last one will be your last term, and the value for last term, formula for last term is a plus brackets open n minus 1, close the brackets, multiplied by d, that is the nth term. So that is how to find the arithmetic mean. So till I see you in the next class, thank you.